The customer needed a dishwasher fitted, so I had to route a wastewater to the dishwasher, which would normally be next to the sink, but it's not because there's no space. I had to make an alternative arrangement and run some extra long pipes under all the cabinets and to get to the feed. Installing a dishwasher, but just on the other side of the kitchen. It was a referral from one of my fellow BNI members, the lady that runs the charity called Rules, and just one of the clients that they look after. Anytime I want to speak to anybody, I can pick up the phone, feel that I get exactly what I need and what helps me with my business. There's a few franchisees that I'm fairly close to, so pick up the phone and ask for advice sometimes. There's always someone else who's done something a little bit differently or done the same thing in a different way and maybe has a trick or something that they can help you with. So there's a handful of franchisees that I'll happily pick up the phone to and have a conversation. The variety for me of of the jobs I get, and being able to be my own person, I suppose, and not having to deal with the boss. At the end of the day, the only boss is the customer, I suppose, and that can be managed.
Don't forget to subscribe to our Hubby UK channel.